If you've been buying, selling, or trading NFTs in the past week, whether it be on the Solana or the Ethereum blockchain, you've probably heard or seen Aptos. Now, what exactly is Aptos? Where did it come from? Why is it gaining so much attention, especially on the NFT side of things? Well, I thought in today's video we'd look through a couple of the projects that are upcoming, some of the ones that are already existing, and just see what all the fuss is about Aptos or Aptos. Whatever you want to call it. My name is Jerzy. Welcome on back to the channel. If you guys are new around here, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a like and a comment as well, as we are giving away one Solana on today's video to one random comment. Also, hey, I'm not a financial advisor, and especially with Aptos, I don't know a lot of stuff myself yet, so in today's video, we're going to look through it. Please don't take any of this as financial advice, and do your own damn research. So what exactly is Aptos? Well, on aptosfoundation.org, we can see this is designed for people, engineered to evolve. Aptos is a layer 1 blockchain created for safe development and build with user experience as a core focus. So if we go over on Twitter and just scroll through Aptos, we can literally see a bunch of upcoming projects that are already underway and getting a lot of recognition over on Twitter. A bunch of this being somewhat derivs, a bunch of this being very low effort artwork, and a lot of it revolving around pixelated artwork. Those are just a few things I've seen so far. This kind of looks like a thug bird mixed with a boogle, which, I mean, come on. This is clearly some sort of flag monkey or SMB sort of ripoff. But I mean, to be honest, a lot of NFTs that come out either on Solana or Ethereum do look a lot like other projects. They do take a lot of inspiration, and some of them are derivs. But you know, that's why experiments, we switched up the game and went, you know, a whole new direction of art. That's for another time. So I did drop this tweet the other day asking about some upcoming Aptos projects, and I do want to get a list of things to look through for this video. So that's exactly what we're going to go ahead and do, is look through this list and see what people actually shilled. Just going to make a pretty big tab here with a bunch of projects people tagged. This guy even went ahead and made a tier list of upcoming Aptos projects already. A lot of them looking nothing new. Stuff we've already seen on the art side of things, but hey, who knows the utility? And he even states here, high probability that 99% of this rug or slow rug, be very careful. So a lot of the ones that I am seeing pretty consistently is going to be Aptos monkeys and wrecked dogs. Both of these having a very high Twitter follower count, 120k on Aptos monkeys and 73,000 over on wrecked dogs. Now there are a few other ones like Aptos wizards, which have already sold out. The mint price was 3 Aptos for the Aptos wizards, but looking at projects like Aptos monkeys, let's take a look. 120k followers is no joke. Their likes and retweets are pretty high, which could be inflated, and their comments are very low. Again, here, this thing has a bunch of likes, very low retweets, very low comments, but hey, it is what it is. It could be legit. I don't know. I'm seeing a bunch of scenery artwork. Is this the PFP? So it's that thick line, kind of doodled line work, I guess, and the color scheme's decent. But to me, it's just like, I don't know, I feel like we've seen these. I feel like I've seen this somewhere in my life. Maybe checking out their website will give us some more hope. Cute collection of monkeys with jungle vibes looking to live on the upcoming Aptos blockchain. Community, innovation, resourcefulness will be values we abide by. All right, so a community project based on resources, so maybe education. Take a look at their jungle map. Community, broader outreach, innovation, empowerment. Their innovation states a core pillar will be innovating needed tools with scalability in mind, pre and post mainnet launch. So an educational platform with tools, backed by a PFP of a monkey. As for wrecked dogs artwork, it's a Shiba. I mean, there might be other different dogs here. I guess they are different dogs, but it's a dog PFP, which we've seen millions of, with some traits. Again, 12,000 likes, 12,000 retweets, 9,000 comments is pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. The engagement on these projects popping up out of nowhere, taking advantage of Aptos blockchain, getting so much attention recently is pretty fucking crazy. You know, they had 40k followers just 6 days ago, and now they're at 73,000, which is pretty nuts. All right, so I found one of the marketplaces called Topaz. And this is where we can see upcoming launches on the Launchpad mints. So Topaz is already doing Launchpads. Again, I don't know how long Aptos has been around. All I know is recently it's kind of blowing up. We even have the Bored Aptos Yacht Club, that's just 18,000 volume. Wow. Mug Thunky Flippers Degen Deluxe Edition. What the fuck? Oh my god. Yeah, SMBs that just move with different color gradient. Nice. I want to see these wizards we looked at earlier. Aptos wizards. Can I not search? Hello? Hello? Okay, I'll just type. Okay, there we go. Aptos wizards were a 2 Aptos mint, and they're at 13 Aptos now with 16,000 volume almost. They've been out for, I think, 24 hours now. So a pretty nice 6x from mint price. Meet people staking early DAO on Aptos. So community-driven staking raffle project. All right, let's take a look at Elf Punk coming along on Magical Adventure with the elves. All right, so we have scenery piece of artwork here, which does look pretty good. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's not bad. And that's the only thing we see so far. I can assume the PFP is going to look something like this, but I mean, that's all we have. All right, let's just search Aptos again and see what comes up first. Okay, we see Blitz. Let's take a look at Blitz. 600 followers, one piece of scenery artwork, nothing else. We see Catalyzers. Let's go take a look at this. We're a group of art passionates and gaming enthusiasts. Okay, cool. The PFP looks... We're gonna go to the next project. I'm sorry, that's just not my favorite. I'm not trying to bash on it, but I feel like there's not a lot of effort. Like, I mean, it's cool, but it's not for me. We got Phantom Z, 265 followers, art utility community. What kind of utility? Let me know. And the PFP looks like that. Aptos Monkey Tribe, the one that is kind of like a flag monkey or a SMB, I guess. They're kind of cute, kind of cuddly. You know, again, it's a pixel 8-bit gift monkey picture. 2,100 followers, and they've been tweeting for about 3 days. Jeez. We got Aptos Goblins as well. First ever rev sharing brand on Aptos. Okay, I mean, yo, it is what it is, right? They're cool. They're goblins. It is what it is. Again, it's very lackluster, in my opinion. We got Aptos Elephants, who's going to be a free mint. So there we go. Swinging off the royalties there to make some bread. Not too bad. Scenery piece of artwork. Nothing new, nothing special. Pretty basic, in my opinion. The artwork, again... Nothing new, nothing special. And then, yeah, the Aptos birds. Literally a thug bird mixed with a boogle. Yeah, like, dude, are you... So before we do wrap up today's video, I do want to talk a little bit about Solana, and I do want to talk about my own project called Experiments, which a lot of people have been having questions, doubts, there was a little bit of FUD, and everything in between. At the moment, we are sitting at a 0.82 Solana floor price, 1,550 volume, underneath 10% listed at 346. So during the mint, there was a little bit of FUD. People were instantly able to go ahead and list their NFTs, and of course, people love losing money, so they were listing them underneath the floor price, which caused the mint to be a little bit stagnant. And to combat this, we dropped the mint price to 2 Solana, and if you held it during the snapshot, you'd get another experiment for free, cutting the mint supply at 2,500. Like I said earlier, we want to be the industry standard for new, twisted, sick PFPs on Solana. We don't want to go this cute, cuddly bullshit. I want to go what speaks to me more so, and we made this. The collection is built on 5 factions, this being our scientists, our lurkers, our ghouls, our rotters, and our order faction. Each of these having their own little twist and sneak peek behind gamification, educational platform and hub, and expansion throughout our lore story-driven utility. My main focus is to bring and provide as much utility and rewards to the holders and the community as possible throughout experiments, get us back on track, get us above that 1 Sol floor price, and just show you what we have in store. I'm gonna put a little doc page on the screen right now. This is what we've been working on. We have a bunch of stuff we're ready to announce in the next 24 to 48 hours, and our roadmap will launch as well. As for Solana NFTs, D-Gods and Utes, I think the Utes reveal is just around the corner. I think we've got like 2 to 3 to 4 more days to go. A lot of people are saying Thursday, which I'm super excited for. And we are seeing a bunch of projects kind of trade pretty frequently. Now with, you know, NFTs and Magic Eden being a 0% royalty optional marketplace. But hey, man, I'm still in NFTs. I still love them. I'm still here for the long run, baby. You already know that's the whole idea, the whole entire movement experiment of this channel, my project, everything in between. Is you just do, execute, and create. So, yo, thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. And man, I'm not here to shit on any project. I'm just personally looking at what I see from an outsider perspective, someone that could be easily impressionable and looking at new NFTs arising. But hey, it is what it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you have any other Aptos projects that have some sort of, you know, future behind them, let me know in the comment section down below. Like and comment and subscribe as well for a 1 Solana giveaway. I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day. Peace out.